Police sources told Times Now that Mihir has confessed to being behind the wheel at the time of the accident. The couple's bike was on the extreme left of the road. There was ample space on the road for the vehicle to move in, and despite that, this BMW car, the speeding BMW vehicle, rammed into the two-wheeler. So there was enough space to pass through, and yet the car rammed into the bike that was in one corner of the road. The woman, immediately after the impact of the accident, the woman fell on the bonnet, and then Mihir did not stop the vehicle, but instead decided to accelerate even more. So the woman fell off the bike and fell on the bonnet of the vehicle. He could have immediately stopped, and that perhaps could have saved her life, and yet he did not. What he did was he continued driving and only accelerated. So the woman's body got entangled in the wheels, this part of the vehicle where her body got entangled in the wheels, and even then the vehicle did not stop. Mihir, who is said to be behind the wheels, continued driving. The people in the other vehicles then started asking Mihir to stop, because there were several others on the road as well. They witnessed what was happening. They appealed to Mihir to stop the vehicle, but he still didn't do it, and he continued to drive. The vehicle only finally stopped near the Sea Link, where Mihir and the driver changed seats. So a clear attempt to implicate the driver.
कभी आया देवेंद्र फडणवीस बोलने के लिए आया इधर कि क्या हो गया है? कभी एकनाथ शिंदे आया घर पे कि इसका ऐसा कैसा हो गया, इसके पीछे क्या है? अजित पवार आया? तुम लोग कुर्सी के लालच में है ना, सब अंधे हो गए, अंधे।
मिहिर राजेश शाह है जिन्होंने इनकी पत्नी को मर्डर किया, इनके पत्नी का। मैं ये नहीं कहूंगा कि एक्सीडेंट था, ये नहीं कहूंगा कि हिट एंड रन थी, ये मर्डर था। और मुझे लगता है कि सबसे कठोर शिक्षा जो है देश में, वो इस मिहिर राजेश शाह को मिलनी चाहिए, जो बुलडोजर जस्टिस हर जगह ये रेजिम देने की कोशिश करता है, उनके घर पे अभी करके दिखा।